Hello, this is Brandon Glazman at Secor Family Ford, and today I'm going to be doing another Secor Family feature, and I'm going to be showing you how to sync your phone to your car. Okay, for the first step to sync your phone, find the phone button up here by the radio area. It's in different places in different cars. Go to Add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So from there you'd find your settings on your phone, go to Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then it'll look for your different Bluetooth devices. Once it finds your car, tap sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Pair it here, say yes on the dash.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And from there, it'll ask you for 911 assist to be on or off. I recommend yes for on. If anything ever happens to you in an accident, it'll automatically dial 911 automatically. Hit yes for your phone book. It'll download your phone book, and periodically it will automatically re-download your phone book from time to time to make sure your data is correct. And then from there you can use your voice commands. It's all set up. Alright, thanks again for tuning into the Secor Family feature. We'll see you next time.